Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel Inspired Birdie for a Dollarama haul. So Dollarama is the Canadian dollar store, so unlike Dollar Tree, items range anywhere from like 82 cents up to $4. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, if you're new to the Dollarama and you're not very familiar with it, items can range anywhere up to $4, but that being said, you do tend to get better quality type items than what you would get at Dollar Tree. So let's jump into this. I'm just gonna start off with some like really super random items. So this Colgate sensitive I always pick up at Dollarama because it costs, I think it was like $2.50, whereas at Walmart it always costs me close to $4, if not more. And this is just the toothpaste that I always use. These wet wipes, I always stock up on these from the Dollarama because they are $1.25, whereas like any kind of drugstore or even Walmart charges much more for them. And you do get 40 in there. Sorry for the glare. And then moving on to just some random items. I was taking a look at their Christmas items and I realized I forgot to pick up some of these from the Dollar Tree for a DIY that I have coming up. So my Dollar Tree is $1.25, so this is the same price as what I would have paid. And these are just little styrofoam balls that I want to use for a DIY. So they had a lot of different colored options if you're looking to do any kind of DIY with them. I mean, these would look really cute in a jar or anything like that. And then I only picked up one Christmas item, and it was this really beautiful Christmas ornament. I don't know if you could see it in there, but there's like an angel, and it's reading a book. And then it has those beautiful silver decor, and it's a glass ornament. And this was $2.50. All right, so moving on to some kids items. I saw these and I've never seen these before. So these are reward sticker activity books. So you get over 100 stickers and they had many different to choose from, but pretty much they're different activities. So coloring, reading, writing, tracing letters, lots of different activities. And then you have these reward stickers that you give them for when they complete the activity. So I picked up obviously the Frozen and then the Disney Princess. But what I was really looking at, or for, which I always get from Dollarama, are these right here. So this is the Imagine Ink, and these range for $7 and up at places like Amazon, Walmart. So it's a really great deal because these are only $3.50 from Dollarama. However, they go really fast. So I picked up this Avengers pack because it was literally the last one that was there. But in the past, I've been able to find Disney princesses, Paw Patrol, Peppa Pig. So when these come, you got to grab them because they go really fast. And yeah, really quickly forgot to mention that the reward stickers were $1.50. All right, so moving on to this Christmas craft activity. Now they did have different ones to pick from. So these are DIY Christmas scenes, and as you can see, it was $2. And it's just one of these really fun mats that comes with stickers, and you create your own picture scene. So lots of fun activities to do for little kids. I got their Halloween one as well, and it was a lot of fun. Right, and then the last kids activity item that I got was this coloring book. So this is Beauty of the Season. It's one of those really giant, massive coloring books that has stickers, and it's a holiday one, so perfect for Christmas time. And it's the Disney Princesses. So this is a really great deal. It was $4, but the original retail price was almost $8. That's probably the price that it would have been sold at a place like Walmart. And these are really great deals when you can find them. So it's just a big, really big coloring book. And then in the front, you always have some stickers that they can play with as well. All right, so now some Christmas stocking stuffers that I picked up from the Dollarama. So starting with this loofah, I thought this was really sweet. It was $1.50, and it's a little, like, I don't know if it's an actual unicorn or a unicorn cat, but I thought this was really cute. And it's just a little loofah, and it was only $1.50, which is pretty fantastic. And then I picked up some of these hair bows. I'm always looking for them at Dollar Tree, but I can never find them, anything like this. So I picked up this Minnie Mouse one, as you can see. Sorry, I'm looking for the price. It doesn't have the price on it, but I think it was around $1.50. And then I found these My Little Pony. So sorry for the glare. I'm just trying to get it to go away. There we go. So this is $3, and it's a My Little Pony. So you get the pink bow. You get this one, and then you get the purple. And this was really cute. So this is just a hair elastic, $1.25. So it has this little thing at the end. I don't even know what it is, but it's super soft and fun. And then it just has a black elastic at the end. And then the real fun finder is this hat. So in their hat section, Dollarama actually gets a lot of really fun kids hats. They have a ton of like Disney hats. I had gotten like Paw Patrol, princess hats, and then for little boys they have like Cars and Avengers, all that kind of stuff. So this was $4, but it's a 3-piece. So it's the hat, and obviously it has a little cat ear. So this is the cat hat with the owl face, and then you get these little pom-poms at the bottom. My kid loves these hats. She has one right now. And then it's a 3-piece. So you actually get pretty good price, because at children's place or like kids clothing stores, just the hat alone goes for like $15 if not more. So it comes with this little scarf, and then it comes with these little mittens. Super cute. So again, and this was the only one, this is the only one that was like this. They did have other ones that didn't have like this type of material, so lots to choose from. So if you have a Dollarama, go and check it out. Lots to choose from. Then I grabbed these storage bins. So this here is one of those trays that you would just put in your cutlery drawer. And it was $2, but I actually got it for my kids' craft items, so like paint brushes and paints and stuff like that to organize it. And then I absolutely love these wicker baskets. These are not new, and they have many different colors to choose from. I like this dark brown, but they have like a taupe, a white, and like a dusty gray bluish one. But I absolutely love these. They're $4. It's the super large one. They have many different sizes, and I just use these for all types of storage. But specifically this is for my front closet, so picked up one of those as well. A few other items, and before I move on to those, I forgot to mention this bathroom item. So Gillette original shaving foam. So if you're looking for any kind of shaving foam, they definitely have a lot of really good deals. It was only $2. I ended up getting this though for a little science project that I'm going to be doing with my daughter. But definitely some really good name brand items for shaving. All right, so a few more other items, really great for giving back to the community. So gloves and socks were another big hit that they were looking for, that they were in need of. And these polar fleece mittens are super warm and cozy, and you can get several different colors. So picked up one of the dark blue, and then this purple pink, and then also Fruit of the Loom children's socks. So that's pretty cool. You get 3 pairs, another really great deal, and they were only $2. So you get 3 pairs, and I picked up just 2 different designs with Fruit of the Loom. Okay, and then moving on to these jam jars. So you get 3 large jam jars, and I paid, as you can see, $2.50. Sorry guys, my dog is snorting in the background, so if you hear any weird noises, that's him. But yeah, picked up these 3 jars for a science project, but also really great for DIYing or if you want to actually make some jam. Moving on to jam, my Dollarama also had some pancake mix, and it was a really great deal. So the pancake mix was $2, and I think the syrup was either $1.50 or $2, and they're not expired. Whenever I see things at Dollarama or Dollar Tree that are name brand, I'm always wondering if it's because they're expired, because they're being sold cheaper than what you would get at another store. But no, they're not. So definitely a good deal, because I know places like Walmart sell them much more than that. Not too much more, but much more. And then I picked up these cute little bowls. So here is one Paw Patrol. It was $1.25. So this is a Paw Patrol no-tip Zac BPA-free dish that just has the bottom like that. And then I picked up this owl design as well. But another item here I got was this bamboo tableware organizer. I absolutely love this. I love bamboo. as you can see, it was more on the upper side price, so it was $4. So for anybody that doesn't know, Dollarama is anywhere from like 82 cents right up to $4. But it's just an organizer, and look at that. I thought that was pretty cool. I'm actually going to use this for my my daughter's drawer to organize all of her cutlery, because she's starting to, you know, get into the habit of getting her own you know, spoons and all that kind of stuff, so she can set her own table. So I thought this would be really good for organizing all of her little, you know, cutlery and bowls and things like that. Alright guys, so I'm going to end this video here. That is all that I got. Lots of different, like I said, random items, but stay tuned. I'm going to definitely be doing some Christmas hauls as well between Dollarama and the Dollar Tree, of course. So stay tuned for those. All right, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video today. And if you're new, I hope you decide to subscribe and check out all of my holiday DIYs. All right, guys, thanks, and love and peace to you all. Bye.